Night there.
Na me there. What you want?
I want to buy iron.
Iron. We get
I want
iron.
to buy from a shop that will give me assurance. So.
We no get assurance. We don't sell the last one.
Can you give me iron with assurance?
Which assurance we want? The video. They go your own. Don't know what thing they talk.
See assurance here now from 1 to 30 we get and select anyone wey you want.
What the hell happened?
Bro, this na assurance now.
Alright, thank you very much for watching that point love nation entertainment comedy video. See you on Monday and see you on Friday. Please, don't just forget to subscribe. Don't even cry, please. Remember to subscribe. And don't forget this comedy is being shot by Peculiar Media Studio.